Hello friends, how are you? Maybelline is one of the world's leading cosmetics brands, widely known for its innovative makeup products that cater to a diverse range of skin tones and preferences. Founded in 1915 by Thomas Lyle Williams in Chicago, the brand initially started with mascara and rapidly expanded its product range to include foundations, lipsticks, eyeliners, and more. Maybelline's mission has always been to provide affordable, high-quality beauty products that empower individuals to express their style. One of the brand's most iconic products is its Great Lash Mascara, which has been a staple in many makeup bags for decades. Its signature green and pink packaging has become synonymous with mascara excellence. Maybelline's makeup products are known for their wide shade ranges, especially in foundations and concealers, making it easier for individuals to find their perfect match regardless of skin tone. The brand's Fit Me line, for instance, offers an impressive variety of shades and textures to accommodate different skin types and finishes, from dewy to matte. Maybelline has also excelled in the development of highly pigmented, long-lasting products. Their Superstay line, for example, offers foundation, concealer, and lip color that promises all-day wear without the need for touch-ups. Additionally, the brand has continually evolved by responding to trends, offering products that embrace diversity in beauty standards. Their campaigns often feature models from various backgrounds, promoting inclusivity in the beauty industry. Maybelline's collaboration with global icons like Gigi Hadid and Adriana Lima has also helped the brand stay relevant in a highly competitive market. In recent years, Maybelline has increasingly focused on the integration of skincare into its makeup products, recognizing the growing trend of multi-purpose items. Their foundations, primers, and concealers now often contain beneficial ingredients like SPF